Hello guys, welcome to my channel A-Tech Programming. Today I will explain you what are the constructors. What are the constructors? And then last lecture we will discuss the manipulators. And what are the manipulators? We were told the functions, built-in functions that comes after double insertion or the double extraction operator, and the example was the set width or the end line. So now let's come to our today topic. What are constructors? OOP is totally incomplete without constructor, because whenever the object calls, the constructor calls automatically. What is the purpose, what is the mechanism, and what is it? Let's discuss it. First of all, we will discuss what are the constructor, the concept of the constructor, what is it, and then the types of the constructors. So actually the constructors are the methods to initialize the state of an object. These are the methods and forward to initialize the state of an object. And do we need to call it ourselves, or when we need to call it, it invokes, means it calls when any of the object is created. When we create any object, the constructor will call automatically. So there are some rules to define the constructor. Definitely all the things have some programming rules, ending, starting, or anything, a proper syntax. So what are the rules of the constructor? The first rule is about the name of the constructor, and the second is about the return type of the function. The name of the function should be the name of the class, and there is no return type of the functions. No return type means we used to put return 0 or anything at the end of the function, but it is not allowed in the constructor function. It's a type of function. So this was the concept of the constructor, and now let's explain the types of the constructor. The very first type of the constructor is the default constructor, and the second one is the parametric constructor. Third one is the copy constructor. So what is default constructor? A default constructor is that having no parameter. There is no parameter in the default constructor. And what were the means? It initializes every object, every variable with the default value, that is 0. Means if it initializes an object, it always contain a value, and that value will be the 0 by default. Then the parametric constructor means having parameters. It is with the parameters, and we will give the values to it that we want to assign to our variables or etc. And now, what is copy constructor? It is something different with both of the above constructors. Actually, copy constructor copies an object within another object. For example, if we have created, be remember, it puts the values to the variable in the object, and then 0 value, and then we are our values, and this copy constructor puts an object 1 to a newly object or another object 2, copying not the 0 value or any user value. Copying an object into another object is the purpose of the copy constructor. And be remember, there is only one copy constructor in the whole program. Either it is the default or defined by the user, but there will be the only one copy constructor in the whole program. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Stay blessed.